Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, the channel where I supply you with your daily dose of art goodness. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the cobra Pokemon Arbok. So Arbok is like a big snake and I think he's pretty cool. So before we get started drawing Arbok, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe because I love when you do and it really helps the channel a lot. Alrighty, so I'm gonna draw Arbok with pencil and then I'm gonna go over him with a marker, a black marker, and then I'm gonna do my coloring. So grab yourself a pencil and let's get started. I'm gonna start with his eye. So his eye is shaped like this. So draw one line coming down and then one line going that way. And then we can come up a little bit. Like that. And now inside that eye, we're going to do a little curve. And then give a little bit of space and do another curve. So that's his eye. Now, underneath the eye, we're going to do the mouth. We're going to start with the mouth. So we're doing a little line like this. And then we are going below the eye. And now we're going to curve this way a little bit. And then we can come on up. Now this part is like rounded. So the top of his head is right round. Okay. So now we can give him two little nostrils here. And we can give him two sharp pointy fangs. Like that. Now his tongue is long. And so I got like a curvy squiggly line here. And his tongue is separated into these two different parts here. And then we can come on back and bring it back into his mouth. And now let's do the bottom of his mouth. So a little line right here. And then curve right here. And then we're coming on up to where we started the mouth. And now we can do a few more sharp pointy teeth. So they're just little triangles. And you can put them anywhere. I'm just giving them a few. But if you want, you can fill up his mouth with sharp teeth. It's up to you. Now the bottom of his mouth, we're just going to do a little curve right here. And then bring that back up this way. And you see how we're kind of starting to curve out this way. And we can come on up. And do another curve right here. Kind of looks like Venom right now. Okay, so right here at this part of his head, we're going to come on out. And we're doing a big curve here. And we're starting to come down. Now over on this side, we're going to do the same thing. So we're doing a curve shape. And we're bringing it in. And now we can start with his, the rest of his body. So So just try your best to follow along with what I'm doing here. So we can curve in around his body this way, because he's able to come upwards like this from supporting himself on this curl that he's making with his body. All right, so we've got his basic shape finished, but he needs some design work in here. So before we start doing that, I'm just going to do a little line like this, kind of follows that curve shape we made, and I'm going to do it over here as well. And now we can start with the design here in this part of his body. So right here, going towards the long part of his body here, there's a point. So we've got like a little sharp point right here, and we can work our way up and work our way up this way too. And this shape kind of follows the curve his body is making. And then we do another point, and we're bringing that shape over this way and then bringing it up to make another point. And that point is in the middle, right above this one we made. Now, right here below his head, we can come on down and then come out this way. And then draw another line down and go this way. So right here, it's almost going to be like an arrow shape. With like another little point here. And within this arrow shape, we have two rectangles. Almost like eyes. And now in these two spaces, we're going to have a rounded shape here that comes to a point up this way. And we're going to do the same over here. So it starts kind of rounded here, and then it becomes pointed. And inside that, we're just going to do the same shape again, and same over here. And then we're going to start with this point, come on down, and almost make like the beginning of a heart. So you can see it's kind of like a heart, just kind of squat. So same over on this side. Another squat heart. And now we're almost finished our sketch, but he needs some lines. So we're going to put one like this, and you can see that it's curved to kind of show the thickness of Arbok. So we can come on down a little bit more and do one like that. And then one there. And this is really following the curve of his body. And of course they're getting smaller and smaller the closer we get to the end of his tail, or end of his body. All right, so now we've got Arbok all sketched out. I'm gonna go over him with a black marker and then erase any visible pencil marks. And then I'm going to get to coloring. So we'll probably speed this part up. All right, everyone, so we are finished our picture of Arbok. So I think it turned out pretty cool, but you let me know in the comments below how you think it turned out. And if you have anything you'd like to see me draw or anything you'd like to learn how to draw, please let me know in the comments. All right, everyone, I hope you have a really, really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everyone, goodbye!